Oh my god, this is good!
Alright, YouTube, I'm hungry. Tonight, I'm making smash burgers. For a good smash burger, all you really need is some good hamburger. And we're going to smash it on the blast. Alright, YouTube. This should be really easy for us. You get your grill nice and hot. Let that sizzle in there just for a minute. Get that grease starting to flow through. And you smash them. Now, me personally, I get the fattiest ground beef I can find. Alright, once they've sat there, not for even very long, you come back with your wax paper and your press, and you give it a good press. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There ain't nothing special here. You don't have to douse it with onions and mushrooms. These are going to be good because beef is good. Oh my goodness. That's good. Look at that. The best part about this is, how can you have hamburgers without ham? I love hamburgers with ham. Oh, I need one more piece of that ham too. All right. That looks like about halfway to me. These should be about ready to flip over. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at those yummy burgers. Just look at them. If that don't make you hungry, I don't know what does. You know, I bet you I could put some bacon on there and make some people's heads spin. But I like my hamburgers with ham. The ham is good. Oh my goodness, if you look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. You know, I might not be the best cook, but I gotta tell you, I didn't get this fat by cooking crappy food. Alright? If you see a fat guy telling you something that is going to taste good, you just take our word for it, because we know a thing or two. Alright? We know a thing or two. Just look at that. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Some of the best hamburgers in the world are just that simple. Not a whole lot of work here. Go get me another tray, Jack. Look at that. Just look at that. Look, if I gotta tell you that is good, just look at it. I'm sure you all can see that. I hope you all can see that. Oh my goodness gracious. That's some good food right there.